There are 4 different types of pending orders that I personally focus on, and that's what I'll go over today. So those 4 orders are buy stop, buy limit, sell stop, and sell limit. So when you look at buy stop and buy limit, and then you look at sell stop and sell limit, those are pretty much buy and sell orders, but it's not like your typical market execution. Buy stops, buy limits, sell stops, and sell limits each have their own parameter that needs to be met before the broker would put you into the trade. So when I think of buy stop, essentially I think of bus stop. Have you ever had to take a bus where you stand at a specific bus stop waiting for the bus to pick you up to take you in your desired direction? That's kind of how buy stops work. Let's say this line is your desired entry. The market would have to start off below your entry point and continue in its direction. Now, once it gets to your entry point, you're expecting it to pick you up and then eventually bring you in the direction that you wanted to take the market anyway. On the other hand, buy limits are quite the opposite. When setting up a buy limit, the market would have to be above your desired entry point. So let's say the market is starting off high and then it eventually comes down to your entry point. You want the market to hit your entry and then buy. So that's the difference between buy stop and buy limit. Is a buy limit is you're catching the reversals in the market. A buy stop, you're catching the breakouts in the market. When it comes to sell stop and sell limits, they work the same as buy stop and buy limits, except that you're looking for sell positions in the market. When catching a sell stop, your desired entry would have to be below where the market currently is, so the market could come down to your entry, get you into the market, and then continue to take the market down in your direction. Now, lastly, sell limits. When entering a sell limit, the market would have to start off below your desired entry and then eventually get you in to the markets and then reverse to sell off. Buy stops and sell stops are meant for breakout entries. Buy limits and sell limits are meant for reversal entries.